last period we had seen the adjustment related to depreciation and the manager's commission. Okay, so now we will continue the problem. Sixth one, trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account. Date it is not given for the year ending. So first item, opening stock to opening stock to opening stock 75,550. Next to purchases it is given 75,000. Return outward is there, less return outward, purchase return outward 4,500. So 70,500. Next, wage is not there. Next item, freight to freight 2,250. Next, no item, credit side adjustment. Okay. By sales return inward, debit side sales return is there. Okay, so 1 lakh less sales return that is given the trial balance 6,000. So 94,000. Then by, so if amount is wrong, tell. By closing stock, it is given in the trial balance 35,000. Okay, no other item. So now we will balance. Debit side is more. So debit side total
1,47,470.
1,47,470. 47.
48,300.
48,000.
300.
300. Anila?
Yes, Amira.
Okay. 1,48,300 by gross loss C bar D. So difference
19,300.
19,300. Correct? Karthik?
Yes, sir.
So next, two gross loss brought down. Same amount, 19,300. Now we will write profit and loss account item. Bad debt adjustment is there, that we will write last. Trade expense to trade expense. Trade expense means general expense. 2,500, no adjustment. Printing and stationery, no adjustment. To printing and stationery. Printing and stationery, 5,000. Next, run rates and taxes. Adjustment is there, run rates and taxes. Sixth one, outstanding. Sixth adjustment, outstanding. So you have to look any adjustment to rent, rates and taxes. 3,450, 3,450, add outstanding rent, outstanding rent, rates and taxes. This is given 200, so 3,650. 3,650. Okay, to rent, rates and taxes, adjustment is there. Outstanding. We have to add. So next, motor car opening stock, what is it drawings? So debit side is over. Now credit side, any other item? Run rates and taxes? No. Then credit side, interest received, discount received, by discount received, 3,500, 3,500 by interest received, 11,260, 11,260 discount received, interest received, no other adjustment. So now adjustment we have to look. First closing stock already we wrote. Sorry. Now we will write bad debt to bad debt. Then we will look at adjustment to bad debt. Inside the trial balance 3,000 it is given. Add further bad debt it is given. Let's add further bad debt. It is given the adjustment 1,000, 4,000. Add new provision for doubtful debtor. New provision for doubtful debt. New provision for doubtful debtor. So it is given that on 5% on debtor, on 5% on debtor. So how to calculate? So from debtor, first item from debtor, we have to minus further bad debt, it's 99,000 into 5%. So 4,000 950. 99,000. 99,000 into 5 percentage. Okay, 99,000 into 5 percentage. Then you have to look any old provision, yes. So 8,950 old provision is given in the trial balance. Old provision for doubtful debt. Old provision for doubtful debt. Old provision for doubtful debt. So it is given in the trial balance 1,500. 1,500. So 5, 4, 7. 7,450. 7,450. Okay, now one more adjustment is there related to doubtful debtor to provision for discount on debtor, to provision for discount on debtor. 2% it is given. Last adjustment, discount on debtor. How to calculate? From debtor you have to minus further bad debt, and then you have to minus new provision 4,950. Okay, that into 2%. So 99, 94,050. 94,050. 99. Okay, 94,050 into 2%. So 94. Answer 1,881. Okay, provision for discount on debtor 1,881. Okay, now adjustment. First one, closing stock, already we wrote. Second one, depreciation on furniture and fixtures. Depreciation on furniture and fixtures. 2, depreciation on furniture and fixtures. So it is given in the trial balance. Furniture and fixtures 15,550 into 5%. 1,055. So 775.
Sir,
700.
it is 15,000.
15,500. Is it correct? 15,500, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, 15,500 into 5%. So I wrote a 50 amount, 15,500 into 5%. Next, further bad debt, new provision we already wrote. Depreciation charge on motor car. So to depreciation on motor car 10%. Motor car is given in the trial balance 25,000. 10 by 100, 2500. Next, interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, we know that which side? Credit side. By interest on drawings. By interest on drawings. Okay, so how to calculate 6% of drawings. 6% of drawings. Drawings is given 13,560 into 6 by 100. By interest on drawings. Point will come, so round figure we have to write. Amount
813.6.
okay, so 814. Okay, 0.5 above 5 and 5 above means next figure we can write 814. Next, interest on drawings over, rent rates and taxes over, discount on debtor over. So we completed. So now we will balance profit and loss account. Net loss only it is given. Okay, interest on drawings is calculated on the base of drawings. So debit side total
43,056.
43,000.
56.
Then net loss 43,056. 3,500, 11,260, 11,260, then 814. $43,056. Net loss
27,482.
482. Okay, so Karthik, debit side total 43,056.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 43,056. So 27,482. Next, balance sheet. So we'll do the balance sheet. balance sheet and so on. First, we will look adjustments, trial balance. First, cash in hand, cash at bank, it is given. Cash in hand, then cash at bank. Credit at bank or account, it is given. So 36,000, 53,000. Now, we'll look first item, sundry debtors, that is current asset. Sundry debtors, 1 lakh less further bad debt, 1,000 less new provision for doubtful debt 4,950 already we calculated. 4,950 less discount on debtor 1,881. 1,881. So already up to this we got 94,050. 94,050 minus 1,881. Okay. So answer is answer 92,169. 169. Okay. So next item, opening stock, furniture and fixtures. Furniture and fixtures. Adjustment is there. Furniture and fixtures. 15,500 less depreciation. Already we wrote 775. In the profit and loss account we already wrote 5. So 725. 527. 14,725. Okay. Next, purchases drawings, investments, no adjustments. Investments 65,500. 65,500. Next, cash in hand, cash at bank already we wrote. Oh, leave this, please. Okay. Next, liability side, bills payable. Bills payable, no adjustment, 85,550. Next, sundry creditors, no provision. Sundry creditors, 25,000. 25,000. Next, capital 2,50,000. 2,50,000. Net loss 27,000. 27,482. 27,482. 27,482. Drawings also there. Less drawings, less. Okay, here one thing you have to remember, here interest on drawings is there, no interest on capital. Less drawings 13,560. 13,560 less interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings already we calculated 814. Okay, 814. Okay, suppose if any interest on capital is there, so we have to capital less net loss, add interest on capital, then less drawings, less interest on drawings. Clear? If interest on drawings is there, from capital we have to minus. Okay. So balance amounts.
Sir, on the asset side, we did not wrote the motor car.
Okay. Okay. After this, we will write. Okay. Motor car. Okay. Correct. Balance. $2,08,000. $144. Next item, motor car 25,000. Motor car 25,000 less depreciation 2,500. So 22,500. Okay, motor car. Now we have to look the adjustment. First closing stock. So we didn't write the closing stock. Closing stock 35,000. Next depreciation. Depreciation we wrote furniture and fittings. Further bad up new provision we adjusted. Depreciation charge on motor car that we adjusted. Interest on drawings we adjusted. Rent rates and outstanding. So that is liability. Outstanding rent, comma, rates and taxes. 200 Next, discount on debtor, already we adjusted. Completed. So you have to find the total.
Three lakh 18,894.
This one, 3,18,894.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 3,18,000. $94. Now, seventh question. So you have to look the seventh question here. Manager's commission on net profit before charging such commission. So now we will do one more, 10th one. No, 11th one. So after 7th, we will do the 11th one. Then you can solve all the problem because already we studied all the adjustments. Okay. So look that opening stock trading account. 7th one, purchases trading account, drawings balance sheet liability, building balance sheet asset, motor van balance sheet asset, freight inward trading account, sales return trading account, trade expense profit and loss account, heat and power trading account, salary and wages profit and loss account, legal expenses profit and loss account, postage and telegram profit and loss account, bad debt profit and loss account, cash in hand balance sheet asset, cash at bank balance sheet asset, sundry debtors balance sheet asset, investment balance sheet asset, insurance profit and loss account, machinery balance sheet asset. Then credit side, sales trading account, return outward trading account, creditors balance sheet liability, bills payable balance sheet liability, interest received profit and loss account credit side, capital balance sheet liability. Next adjustment, same closing stock trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side, depreciation charged on building profit and loss accounts debit side, and from asset you have to minus motor van. Then provision for doubtful debtor, provision for doubtful debtor at 5% on debtor. We know that with the bad debt we have to add, then balance sheet from asset you have to minus. Then unexpaid insurance means that is prepaid insurance. So suppose if any unexpaid income means that is income received in advance. Suppose you look at that insurance where it is given profit and loss, the trading account debit side. So it is an expense. So this is prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses. Suppose if any which one unexpaid interest it is given. Unexpaid interest means interest received in advance. Suppose here interest received credit side. So if it is Unexpaid interest it is given means that is income received in advance. Okay, so here means that is a prepaid expense. From insurance you have to minus, then balance sheet asset side. Then last, managers is entitled to a commission. It is entitled to a commission at the rate of 5% on net profit before charging. So before charging such a commission means 5 by 100. 5 by 100. Okay. So we'll start trading account. Trading and profit and loss account. For the year ended 31st March 2014. So trading account will do 2 opening stock, $2,26,000. Then 2 purchases, any return, yes, 4,40,000 less return outward. Return outward 15,000. So 4,25,000. 30, 40. Okay, then we will do only one more problem. Then I will start the next chapter, because now we will look at all the adjustment, other questions. Then we will start. We no need to do, because everything we know that, because we studied all the adjustment. Next, freight inward, we are just not there. Okay, so next, freight inward to freight inward. To freight inward 3,400. Okay, then buy sales 6,80,000 less sales return it is given 3,400. $3,400, 6,76,600 by closing stock. By closing stock, it is given in the adjustment 30,000. Okay, gross profit. Um, okay, credit side is more, 7,06,600 to gross profit C bar D. Six lakh 54,000.
Sir,
Tell.
sir, we didn't wrote the heat and power.
Okay. Sorry. To heat and power. $8,000. Any other item? Writing word, heat and power. Okay. So difference amount will be gross profit. Okay, that you have to find. So next class, we will continue the profit and loss account. Okay. So anyone got gross profit?
44,200.
4,300. Karthik?
44,200.
Okay, 44,200. 44,200. Okay. So next class we will do the profit and loss account. Thank you.